Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. And today we have some records to talk about. But before I get into the video, guys, please, if you are subscribed to the Boost Emotion channel, please, you're supposed to be part of the like squad. Please, guys, hit the like button. It's something that you guys can do for free for the Boost Emotion family if you're already subscribed. And if you're new to this channel, please watch this video. Watch some of my other videos. I make a lot of informative content on my Infiniti cars, but also on top of that, I am an owner of a Mercedes C63. And I always try to make content that really helps the community. Anyways, guys, you already know what to do. Let's hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. I really appreciate it. You guys, you see a little bit of difference with the intro. So, I hope you guys really love it. And I hope you guys continue to give it love. Anyway, so the person I'm going to be talking about today is Daily Q50. I'm going to put links to his social medias below. But also, because I'm doing a different style of this YouTubing thing, I'm still going to make informative content, do installs. But I'm kind of going to do reaction slash interviews in the upcoming future. So in this video, we'll be just pretty much displaying Daily Q50's car. So if you guys don't already know, you probably saw the thumbnail or whatever I put in the title. He cracked 800 wheel horsepower in his Q50 fast. He also cracked into nines. So we're gonna take a look. We're gonna go to his IG and we're gonna just take a look at some of his videos. Bear with me. I'm still learning this, so I gotta learn how to share this properly. Share screen. We're gonna go to Chrome tab and we're gonna go to Daily Q50. Yes. All right. So we should be somehow sharing at this point. Let me see if I can make it a little bit better because you guys. No. I want to make it big. Keep it big so that it'll show display nice and properly. I think this is a little better. You guys like this? Just let me know. Hit a like button if you like it this way. I don't sound right to say it that way. But anyways, so shout out to Daily Q50. This is his IG. You can definitely check him out. So if you want to give him a follow, definitely tap in with him on his IG. But what I want to talk about what he did recently with his Q50. If you guys don't know some of the history of his car, um, I've known this guy for about the last 2 years. 2 years. A lot of the big dogs in the Q50 I've known in the Q50 Q60 world. I've known for 2, 3, 4 years, even longer than that. But Daily Q50 came in here and he just started going after records. He literally started going after records. But his last record, his car was making about mid to high 700 wheel and mid to low 700 wheel, and he clocked in right around that 10.12, like 130 high 130 mile an hour on the street on a dragy. Some of you guys hate dragy, but not everywhere the track is open and everything like that. So dragy is the best that we have. But this is really fast because mid 130s, very low tens, and he did it. The car did really well. And in the last 6 months, 6 to 9 months, he also went with AMS's zero block. Pretty much, I believe from what I remember, he'll comment below. It's rods and pistons and the proper VR30 engine build. But he was still rocking on pure turbos. So recently he went up to the RA800 package, which should be upgraded Garrett turbos with his built block. I believe his transmission is also from level 10, and the car is running on E85 and other modifications to make sure that it's breathing properly. But let me just screen share some of his photos. You can see them dropping the motor right there, and you can see the turbos right there themselves. I don't think I can actually zoom in because I'm on IG, so it's a little bit different. Shout out to Edwin Young too, another big dog in the community. Also, Chris is definitely another big dog in the community, and Turbo P, another big dog in the community. So just want you guys to know that too. All right. So that's his motor being put back in and everything like that. If you guys want to take a look. Also, let's see. We have some videos here of him running the car. Let's see. He puts up a dragy time. in 44-degree weather. He did low sixes. Excuse me. This is looking back about a year ago. He did about low sixes on his old setup, right? Now we want to go to the new one. We want to go to this one. Yes, no, not this one. This is a separate video. He's talking about how good the exhaust flows when you're running such high amount of horsepower. But anyways, okay, I'm not finding the right video. Sorry guys, don't beat me up or whatever about it. But this is the dyno run that he did, and the car made. Let me see if there's any audio. Mm. And the car made 819, 830 wheel horsepower. The thing I love about this community is they pay attention to DA so much and atmospheric temperature and everything like that. So DA was about -500, which is great. 33 degrees outside, so this is really good condition, especially for a dyno. And he said boost and timing were same dialing and the wastegate table and everything like that. I'm not gonna go so much about him talking about the exhaust thing. I just wanted to show you guys his dynograph, 800 wheel. It's insane. Um, I- what can I say? What can I say? Now, show you a quick run that he did here. Boom, just like that. Boom, just like that. His car ran nines on the street. The car even, you can see how it tagged a little bit. Car's moving. Lord Jesus. I'm not gonna put too much of this video in here, but take a look. This is draggy times. 9.91. His 60 foot is 1.6, which is pretty normal for our cars. We're right around, we'll do 1.7 all day, 1.8 depending on the launch control and everything, but 1.6 is pretty common. I haven't really seen anyone touch much 1.5s that often in these cars. So our cars can't really leave that much more harder. And look at his quarter mile time. Quarter mile 9.1 at 1:43. This is fast. This is as fast or close to as fast as 720s, McLaren 720s. It's definitely faster than a lot of stock Porsche 911 Turbo S's. So he's all in that territory with those cars. Like really, just fast. Let me see if there's anything else that I can take a look at here. Nothing else really sticks out to me. Really, we'll just leave it there at that. So this package, he actually puts the spec sheets up and everything like that. AMS stock 0 long block, Garrett GTX 2867s, a level 10 built transmission. I guess I was right. Nordstrom fuel system, Civix all-wheel drive controller, AMS drive shaft, AMS LSD, and AMS cooling system, and a bit more other components. First thing I want to sit there and say is this. I'm gonna do it on video. I don't care. Nope, I don't care. I mean, I shouldn't. I'm not promoting you guys do this stuff. Don't do this stuff. Don't do this stuff. But I gotta give Daily Q50 a shot, man. A shot. I gotta give him a shot. A little bit. I'm not advertising here. I'm not advertising. For my people that know me, I usually drink tequila. I gotta take a shot for Daily Q50, man. Yeah, I didn't even finish it. You guys, I wish I was like you guys, man. I really admire you, Daily Q50. I really admire Boost Fiend. I admire a lot of the heavy hitters in the community because I would love to do what you guys are doing. I mean, I'm appreciative that the fact that I have a YouTube channel and I can showcase you guys cars. I think that's at least what I can give back to the community, you know. But You guys are the heavy hitters of the community, and I'm super thankful of knowing you guys, learning from you guys, and your experiences. And shout out to AMS. Even though I do poke my fun at AMS based on their prices, I'm gonna always sit there and say this at the end of the day. They make great products that work. There's a lot of R&D that goes into it. So shout out to AMS and shout out to their tuner for getting stuff done. And Daily Q50, shout out to you, brother, man. Brother, we now finally have more. We're starting to get more and more Q50s and Q60s gonna be in low tens consistently. Um, I don't know what else more to say. Um, I know people are gonna ask in the chat, how much money did you spend? Or in not the chat, but they're gonna ask how much money did he spend to have a car that's gonna be low tens, high nines. It's gonna be expensive. I'm not gonna try to make a breakdown sheet or anything like that. Hopefully, I can get Daily Q50 on one of these stream yards and we can have a conversation. I could ask a couple questions, and even in that live, also get you guys on the live, and hopefully you can ask some questions in the chat or whatever. Maybe I'll shut the chat down and make it where it's like you guys get to, it is what it is. But man, I am super excited for this platform where it's going. That without going with the Garrett turbos, built more than built transmission, these cars are gonna run mid to low tens on stock block and stock transmission. It was just about a little over a year ago where these cars were low sixes, low 600 wheel, low 600 wheel, like high fives. And now we can sit there and say a year later, we're now seeing 700s and 800 more consistently. We're seeing lower tens more consistently. I love where this platform is going. And as someone's gonna write in my bio box, just wait for the Nissan Z. Just wait. And I'm gonna be honest with you, knowing that our Q50s, Q60s did not come from factory to be sport cars or sport cars. It didn't. They came to be your mom, your grandma, your dad. They're just supposed to commute with this car. That's it. And know that you can swap out the turbos to pures or RTs. And you could do a built transmission if you choose to. You could build them if you choose to. But if you don't, you could just put on some pures and be mid to low 600 wheel. That's a 10.5, 10.4 car all day. That's like low 130s all day. That's a fast car. That's a fast car. And that's about what, $10,000 invested? That's a fast car. So outside it, guys, I hope I didn't talk too much. I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys for always supporting the channel. I just wanted to show my love. I just honestly wanted to show my love to Daily Q50. Um, yo, this is it. I love seeing this platform continue to grow. And I really want to continue to be a part of this community. I'm not trying to leave the community, but I need you guys' support. I really need you guys to continue to hit the like button, to comment below. If you want to share it with your friends, do that too. It helps me. It helps out my channel. I get more viewers and more subscribers. Subscribers doesn't really keep the lights on. Views do. And I like to keep it honest with y'all. So outside that, guys, you already know what to do. Hit me up at boostinmotion on IG, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. Also, hit up Daily Q50 on his build at Daily Q50. I'll probably have a link, as I said, below to his YouTube channel and his social media links. And yeah, man, this is an amazing thing, and I love seeing this type of stuff. Outside that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. You have a good day.